When the toner cartridge is near empty, the error message "Replace toner cartridge" appears on the printer's display. You can force the printer to continue printing by enabling the toner continuing mode. Press Menu. Press up or down arrow key to display General Setup. Press OK. Press up or down arrow key to display Replace toner. Press OK. Press up or down arrow key to display Continue. Press OK. It's done. Press Stop Exit. Be careful when you use the continue mode, you could have poor print quality, and the status monitor will continue to display the error message "Toner low", "Replace toner", or "Toner ended". When a new toner cartridge is installed, the continue mode will be automatically turned off.